solve by quadratic formula. The first step here is to know the formula. So I have a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The formula would be x. Anybody know the formula? You want to, with the microphone, wants to tell me the formula? Go ahead.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a over 2a.
You said root 4 minus 4a?
4ac, I'm sorry.
Yeah, 4ac. Okay, very good. So that's the formula, you're right. Minus b plus and minus b squared minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in this case, we need to know what's a, what's b, and what's c. In order to do that, we need to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation here. So we move this to one side of the equation. Then you would get in standard form. So your a in this case is equal to 2, your b is equal to 4, your c is equal to minus 5. And so all we have to do now is to substitute these values into this equation. So you would have minus your b is 4, minus 4 plus and minus. B squared is minus 4 squared minus 4. Your a is 2. Your c is minus 5 over 2 times 2. Okay? So now we need to simplify this. We would get x is equal to minus 4. Can somebody tell me what do we get under the radical here? Looks like we get 16 plus what? 4 times 2 times minus 5, right? So 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 4 is 40. So would be x is equal to minus 4 plus and minus. So what do we have under the radical here? 16 plus 40, which is equal to 56. We need to break 56 as prime numbers, so you can simplify that. What's the smallest prime number goes to 56? That's 2, right? What's half of 56? You're not participating, guys. What is half of 56? 28, right?
28.
Okay. Half of 28 is 14, and half of 14 is 7. You see, part of 56 is perfectly squared right there. So 56 is equal to 4 times 14. So square root of that would be square root of 4 times square root of 14, which is 2 radical of 14. So if I replace that, x would be equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 radical 14 over 4. And if I factor a 2, or the factor a 2 at the top of the fraction, I get minus 2 plus and minus radical 14 at the top. So this 2 and this 4 would reduce this to 1 and 2. So x would be equal to minus 2 plus and minus radical 14 over 2. Okay, I believe Jennifer asked this question. Jennifer, who was asking this question? Do you follow that now?
Yeah.
Okay, good.